him on his face, y'all.
Same building.
You hear me? If Garfield was to have a retarded baby,
It'd be the same building.
You hear me, Ralph?
No, y'all said he paid the same wall.
Ralph, if Garfield the cat was to have a retarded baby, it would be you.
You would be.
Odie. You would be
Garfield's son.
Cat dog.
Larry.
I get more hoes than you, get more pussy than you.
Oh.
Get more hoes than you, get more pussy than you.
He got in-house pussy. That beat his ass.
Look what it is.
No, he got in-house beat pussy. Beat the pussy.
Beat that shit down.
Yeah, and she beat you down.
You the girl in the relationship.
He don't like that.
He the woman.
He don't like that. Look.
Not a
You
man.
beat the pussy down, she beat your ass.
Beat your ass.
He talking about he the woman. You be cooking, don't you?
Nana May. That bitch, I'ma kill you.
Yeah, I cook. She sit on her ass all day.
Why y'all keep getting into it, B?
Because Ralph, she knows she can bully Ralph.
She's the boy.
She be bullying
Ralph's the woman.
Boy, Ralph?
She like, yeah,
Ralph pregnant right now.
She take
No, she
Ralph about
got
to
get
have
mad when I
She like, yeah, Ralph, take your bitch ass to the
Then she hit your ass that rope a dope joint. 2 rights and a lefty.
Ralph, you keep letting her whoop you, don't be?
Remember she done damn.
Ralph ain't about to stand for that shit.
Ralph.
slight work.
Oh shit, they your baby mama cousins.
Alright, Ralph. Alright, Ralph.
Work
Oh
it.
shit,
It's
Ralph,
work
that's
it.
war.
Work it. Work it. Work it. I can give it.
We'll see you next week.
I remember Ralph kept saying war was a nigga hit
My
me.
stomach get
Then
scratchy.
he tried to sit out her cousin.
She scratched me up, I ain't do nothing.
Swear to God. No, Ralph swear to God I heard times. She butchered you, B?
She stabbed you with.
Oh, she just slashed him.
She slashed, she ain't do shit.
Yeah,
That
look
nigga
at
whole
the
body
pants.
scratched.
Look at the pants. You got
Nigga whole body
all
scratched
down
up.
the pants.
She probably tried to get her pants to business, but she didn't really fuck him up. She
He got
just slashed him.
blood. Man, he got so many scratches on him though, bro.
No, I don't.
yeah, she
Look
got
at
the
you,
blood on
Beamer.
right
Look at
You see
you,
all that
Beamer.
blood,
Dick
bro?
sucking like that, Beamer. Beamer, dick sucking so hard. She hit me right here. Nigga, on my neck, nigga. Look.
Oh, man, I be fucking my baby mama up.
You gotta look at the
Damn,
whole
Ralph, she
chest,
fucked you
though,
up.
bro.
Ralph, you better go retaliate.
Look at the whole
What the chest
chest,
and shit
though,
look
bro.
like, Ralph?
She fucked me all right here.
She got me right here.
Look at it. Let's look at the whole chest.
Ralph, she the nigga.
Fuck me up.
She the nigga, B.
I'm about to be in the tube, Ralph. You know, me in the tube different. This is some murder shit. She the butcher Ralph fast.
Fuck that.
Fuck it, alright. You say still do it, buddy?
Baby in her style.
I got you.
Why the fuck y'all keep getting into it?
That's why hormones racing. She gonna fuck Ralph up every chance she get.
And you gotta go lay up with us tonight. She to cut you all up. Can't get no pussy.
Better lay with your knife. Better lay with your banger cup, cause she gonna bang you the fuck up.
Look.
She might wanna sleep on the couch.
Hold on. She got that deal though. She been building in that basement. While you outside chilling with your homeboy, she down there knocking wood and nails in.
Nigga,
Big boy.
you might as well sleep on the couch tonight. She bang your ass the fuck up while you sleep. He's straight. He's straight. They ain't even deep cuts. They not gonna get infected. They ain't scratches.
Ralph, you gonna be on the couch up there.
No, it's her
With your old dude. While she down
It was
there.
her nails. Damn. Yeah, it's a fire. Hold on,
Pull the
bitch.
skin off your
You fat on her? Yeah. Her face ain't pregnant.
I said,
Wow.
I said,
Is her face pregnant?